all you single moms, you know when your cute little poof of a 2-year-old has finally fallen asleep and the house is just quiet? Listen. What do you do to relax? You know what I do? I have a little bourbon and some dark chocolate. So tonight, I thought we'd combine the two. We're gonna make some bourbon dark chocolate brownies after bedtime. No kids allowed. Let's start baking. But maybe we should start with a sip. Go get your bourbon. I'll wait. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a 9x9-inch baking pan with baking spray. Then line it with parchment paper. Don't forget to let it overhang on 2 sides. It makes it easier to pull out. Whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, boop, 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 and salt. Boop. Whisk, 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 whisk. Whiskey, 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 whisk. Fast, 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 whisk. And done. Cut the stick of butter into cubes. Now for the best part, dark chocolate. Just listen to those beautiful morsels fall into the cup. It's always important when you're baking to taste stuff. Like chocolate. Okay, let's go. Oh shit, wait, that was really tasty. Maybe one more. Okay, let's melt the chocolate in the butter. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's melt the butter and the chocolate. Keep stirring, stirring, stirring. Keep on stirring as the butter melts. It's gonna take a little time, but you just gotta have a little patience. Just stir, stir, stir. Melty, melty. I mean, have you seen anything more beautiful or silky and delicious? Ooh! Almost done. All right, we did it. We got 5 minutes to wait for it to cool. I say one more hit of chocolate, another hit of bourbon. Cheers. And let's check if we have all the other ingredients. We got our cup of brown sugar, our vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Add the brown sugar to the melted chocolate and butter. Make sure to break down all of the brown sugar chunks. Be patient. This may take a little time. Ooh, smooth and silky. Add an egg. Boop. Stir, 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 stir it up. Add another egg. Boop. Stir, 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 stir it up. Add your vanilla. Bloop. You can use any bourbon of your choice. I use this. Taos Lightning. It's delicious. I highly recommend. The bourbon. 3 lovely tablespoons of bourbon. Technically, I use whiskey, but you can use either one. Boop, 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 boop. Pour your brownie mixture into your pan. Smooth it out, get it in every corner. Shaky, shake, shake. And put it in the oven. So you got about 25 to 28 minutes until the brownies are done. You can clean up and drink bourbon. Either way, enjoy the silence. And it's done. Delicious. I gotta be honest, now you have to wait for them to cool for like 30 minutes. So if you keep drinking, you're gonna be kind of wasted. Maybe pace yourself. Use the parchment overhang to lift the brownies out of the pan. Since the brownies are so sticky, I like to use a pizza cutter to make it easier. Oops, they still break apart. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. So here's to quiet kitchens, late night brownies, and those little moments we carve out just for ourselves. The dishes can wait, the laundry can wait, but this brownie moment, this is a non-negotiable. Yes. So if you're here for some simple bakes and real life moments, sprinkled with sugar and sass, subscribe, boop that bell, and come bake with me again. We're sure to have a good time. Happy baking.